A rectangle.
I wanted an LOL twin doll. I was just talking about it the other day.
Yep, you got it. Another LOL to add to your 50,000 collection.
What's that? Mickey game.
Yeah, that's Mickey and one giant 6 foot. And that's Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah, who's that? Brown Queen. Who's that? Mickey. Who's that? Oh, 6. Who's that? Open the chair one.
You wanna open it?
No, you have to open this one next. Oh. Yay, that's all. Yeah, that's headphones! I was just talking about headphones!
Nice.
Why do I keep getting everything I talk about?
Huh?
I trapped 2
That's okay. Finish opening that present.
Daddy. Daddy for it. Daddy for it. I'm thinking.
What is that?
It's tape!
It's tape. Maybe that's for Daddy.
Yeah! Santa's skinny tape!
He brought you tape.
So I'm guessing Santa's skinny tape. So I'm guessing one of these is for Mommy.
No, all that's for y'all.
Huh.
That's how order. I'm going to put it in the couch.
You'll put it on the couch? Okay.
Yay! It's a box! No, a box! Oh, what is it? I got another.
So you got a chair. Is that like a high chair?
No, it's like a truck. Yeah!
It's like a truck chair.
Like a truck seat?
Like a truck. It looks like the one at Grandma and Grandpa's house.
You're good at reading upside down.
Single keyboard stand.
Open your mouth. Wow.
And I was also talking about getting a keyboard or a piano. It's a piano.
Woo! Look at that. Yes.
That's everything I was talking about.
Yay. So now you can go make music and what does this chair go to?
In the truck.
Where's the truck?
In Grandpa's garage.
It's in Grandpa's garage. Alright, let's face it.
So we gotta go all the way to Maryland?
No. I'm going all the way to Grandpa's house.
Why did Santa give you tape?
In his bag.
Huh?
He put Daddy's tape in my present. And open Daddy's present.
Let's go find this truck that you were talking about, okay? Let's go get Selena first. Where's she at?
But you have to get a car. You have to get your key. What's that?
What is it?
It's a big present.
What is that, buddy?
Yeah, open it. What did Santa leave here? Is that another grill?
Yeah, did we get another grill or something? Whoa. I got monster truck. I got a monster truck.
Is that for you?
Yeah, that's my big monster truck.
Aww. Oh my goodness. Look at.
Yeah. When I
We'll get your keyboard set up in a few minutes, okay?
See, that's what a missing chair's for. Oh my
See
god.
that chair? Does that fit on here?
yeah.
Look at that. Oh man, he's been wanting one of these for God knows how long. And we got the last one
Yeah.
at Academy.
Hot tower.
Oh man, you're about to be rolling, boy. Go, drive.
Pedal. With your foot.
You nervous? Ooh, push. Go. It's okay, go over it. It's okay.
So turn. Turn the steering wheel.
1 teaspoon. Okay, here, hold it over. Okay. So, 1. Boop.
Oh, it's my painter.
It's okay. 2. All right.
Yeah, see if you can look up a substitute.
Okay, wait,
Hello.
Tristan. Aw. You say hi. Say Merry Christmas, beautiful people.
Merry Christmas, little people.
What are you doing?
Making the cake.
What are you making? Say green velvet cake.
Green red cake.
Green velvet cake. Merry Christmas, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well and having a marvelous and safe Christmas day. So yes, we're here in the kitchen making red velvet cake, but we're going to do a green cake and red frosting. So it's totally different. And I'm making it from scratch because all the red velvet cakes were gone at the store. Like, some told me to get it a little early, but of course I figured, okay, I can go back to the store and it'll be there. Lies. All the red velvets were gone. So I was like, well, I'm going to take matters into my own hands and get her done. So my little cooking partner right here is helping mommy. Yay. And they opened their gifts and stuff already. So the big guy has the ham cooking and then I'm baking the cake. So that way by the time we're done eating, the cake will be ready and good to go. So I'm hoping this comes out right because I've never made red velvet cake from scratch. I've always, you know, used Betty Crocker or Duncan Hines because it's just good, quick that way. But this is my first time making it from scratch. So I'll keep you guys posted. And if it's good, I'll leave the recipe down below for you guys of the recipe that I use. I use it from Divas Can Cook. So if it's good, then I'll let you guys know and I'll leave it down below for you guys to check out. But let's see how it goes. So my cake turned out really good, like really good. So it's not as green as we wanted it because the big guy said I should make a green velvet cake instead of red. So I guess because of the cocoa powder, you know, being brown and stuff, and then, you know, I was constantly adding green dye in it, but you could tell, you can see the green, but it looks like a dookie green kind of. Let me just stop putting the dye in and just keep it as is, but it tastes like a red velvet cake. It's just a little dookie brown. And then I put some red dye inside of the white frosting, but because white and red meet pink, that's why it looks pink. So this is like an AKA kind of cake, I guess, but it has Christmas snowflakes and all that on the top. So I feel like I've been vlogging in the kitchen all day, but this is where I've spent most of the time. But this is where I spent most of my day cooking, and then I just ate some leftovers. I made some shrimp and grits last night for dinner, and I had not for dinner, I had made shrimp and grits for lunch yesterday, so we still have some leftovers. So now I'm about to clean up a little bit, and then we're about to head upstairs because the kids need to get bathed. It's 7 o'clock right now. It's like the day went by so fast, y'all. Like Christmas just came and went. Like, that is crazy. So yeah, but I'm gonna edit and upload this vlog today, so that way you guys can see it tomorrow, which will be today while you're seeing this. And then the next vlog will be from last week. Next vlog will be about last week, when the big guy came home from the hospital. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, I'll just talk briefly about it. But he was in the hospital for appendicitis. He had to have emergency surgery. I always want to say emergency C-section, but he had to have emergency surgery to get his appendix removed because he was having some lower internal pain. But it just progressed so quickly, so he needed surgery to get it removed, but it ended up being a little worse than expected, so he had to stay in the hospital to recover a little longer and everything. So he was gone for he was away from us for like 5 days, and it was just crazy. And you know, God is just so good, and he's doing a lot better. You guys saw him moving around today and all of that, so he's doing a lot better, but he still has to take it easy and, you know, just take it one day at a time. Then he has to go back to work soon. So but that's what that vlog is about. So because I know you're probably like, well, why watch a Christmas and then what happened? That's probably why. So our Christmas has just been real chill, not really doing much. Like I said, it was 88, still 88 degrees outside. It's still 88 degrees outside. It was just hot. Like, it doesn't feel like Christmas. It truly does not feel like Christmas because it's like wicked hot. I just can't wait for the day where we're in our nice, big, spacious home and we'll be able to host Christmas or Thanksgiving. I just can't wait to be able to host holidays with our family, because I mean, we're not moving back to Maryland. That's just, no, we're not moving back to Maryland. You know, less further down the line, we'll move back. But like right now, we have no desire to go back to Maryland and stuff like that. But it'll be nice to be able to have family come to visit us so we can host them, because, you know, when we go home, we're always being hosted, or, you know, having to spend a night at people's houses for stuff or whatever. But it'll be nice to just, you know, have family come down and see you. But like here, you know, our house is not big enough to host anybody. Even our old house wasn't big enough to host a lot of people and stuff. And then people gotta want to come. Like, I'm not forcing anybody to come. I mean, there's people that will come, some people that won't come, and I'm not forcing them to come. But at the same time, you know, it would just be nice to be able to like host holidays and stuff, because I do miss that. Like, I love, you know, doing stuff here with just us four, and then, you know, next year we have a little one again. But, you know, it's just nice to just be, you know, just, it would just be nice to be the host of something, you know, one day and everything. So I was just thinking about that, 'cause, you know, I haven't been on social media much today, but like when I see people like, you know, having their moms and cousins and stuff like that, like I have not done that in years, like with family and stuff. So one day that'll happen. Just gotta keep the faith, keep working hard, and it will happen. Yeah. So anywho, let me get this girl some dinner in her stomach, and then go get them bathed and get in bed, because I don't know, for some reason we're tired. Like it says 7 o'clock, but we tired, boss. We tired. Hey y'all, excuse the look. I know I look like I just woke up, but I realized that I forgot to end the vlog on Christmas Day, so I'm about to get this video edited, and I need to end it because I don't want to end the vlog on a non-ending note. Okay, but yeah, so I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, Christmas weekend, and all of that. So let me know down below what you did, and if you've traveled or if you had family over, let me know down below. But y'all, please be safe out there because it's crazy out there with all these cases and stuff. Like, I'm gonna say just be careful, okay? Please be careful, please stay safe, look out for one another, but most importantly, stay safe. But anyways, so let me get this video edited, planning out my content for 2020 and everything. I'll do like a video and stuff like that because you guys really enjoy like my vision board videos and stuff like that. So I know that video is gonna be coming soon. I'm going to probably be posting like almost every day this week just to get the rest of the videos out that I have to edit. A few of you guys have requested more Black Along the Border episodes and stuff, and I will get to those. I just haven't really been doing a lot, and then we're traveling, and then it's just been a lot, so I haven't really been focused on that, but I'll try to bring those back especially once the cases go down. Let things calm down first, and then I'll bring those down. Then I'll bring those back. You know, if you guys want more convos with Chris or more hair videos, you know, Maddie cut her hair, so you know, I'm still taking care of her hair, obviously, but you know, I don't know like what else you guys want to see pertaining to kids hair care with her hair being short. So yeah, and then some routine videos, like I definitely want to bring those and everything. I just have a lot of content, but I want to make sure that it's stuff that you guys want to see, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all know I'm hard on myself when it comes to this whole YouTube journey and stuff like that. So you know, that's why I always ask guys for suggestions, because you guys always leave some really good suggestions. But yeah, so feel free to leave them down below, and let me go ahead and get this edited. But I just want to say happy holidays and stay tuned for the next video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.